Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law. Objects in motion tends to stay in motion and objects at rest tends to stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Force equal to mass times of acceleration, F is equal to ma. Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now Newton's first law. An object at rest tends to stay at rest and an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. What is unbalanced force? Now, let us take an example of a book which is on table. The forces on the book are balanced. The table pushes upward on the book and the gravity pulls downward on the book. If the forces of an object are equal and opposite, they are said to be balanced and the object experiences no change in motion. If they are not equal and opposite, then the forces are unbalanced and the motion of the object changes. Now, let us take some real life examples. According to Newton's first law of motion, a soccer ball will stay at rest unless a force of some sort moves it, and it will stay in motion unless a different force stops it. The force that usually moves the soccer ball is player's kick. Another player blocks its motion. The game would be very boring if the 11 players of one team and the 11 players of opposing team stood on opposite sides of the field and the ball stayed at rest. See these peaks. From the first peak, we can say, according to the definition, an object at rest will remain at rest. And the second peak, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Unbalanced force, which is player's kick to the ball. Third peak, an object in motion will continue with the constant speed and the direction, because when the motion started towards the direction of the kick, so will continue the speed and direction. Fourth peak, unless acted upon by a unbalanced force.